Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We're going to talk about the confirmation bot and how it's done today. Today is Thursday, August the 11th, and confirmation bot did really well. This confirmation bot is included with the Angular bot, so when you lease the Angular, you get the confirmation bot with it. The reason being is because confirmation requires Angular indicator in here as well. So it's using a lot of different signals in here, and putting them together, the confirmation, it just kind of confirms the entry a little better, and it will get you in the entry better, sometimes a little bit better than the Angular bot. And they both work really well. I think the Angular is more conservative, whereas the confirmation will usually get you in the trade sometimes a lot quicker. So the way this one worked, we had a losing trade here. And when we have a losing trade, I teach how to pause the bot. And when you pause the bot on the losing trade, and then there's certain ways that we mark it up. And then when it comes out of that area, then you go ahead and turn it back on. I am building a chop builder that goes into this one. I have it on Angular bot at the moment. And I won't go ahead and build that into here so you don't have to pause it. So it'll help you out. So we had a losing trade here, then it got another winner here, and then it exited out off of the trail stop, and then we had another entry there, and then it exited here because we hit our $1,000 goal. That's all we're looking at. We're looking at 4, 8, 12 contracts here, so that's going to be $48 in commission, so about $50, so that puts us just over $1,000 less of the commissions. And the reason it does that is because we had this big spike, and when we had that spike, then we had a little bit of slippage. And so you'll have slippage on this. It's going to happen anytime you get a lot of volume spike come in. As you can see that, it would have actually entered more trades over in here and had a lot more winners, but we hit our goal. Once we hit our goal, then we stop. We don't trade anymore. And again, we started this at our usual 6 o'clock in the morning. And our first signal was right here, and it turns out to be a loser. And then we come out of the chop. Once we come out of the chop, we turn it back on, and then there we go. As you can see, though, we would have hit several targets up through here. No settings have been changed. We run the same settings every day. Nothing changes. The only thing that we do different is if we have a loser, I teach how to manage that loser and then go from there. But we're up 971 for this bot here. So how do we get in on this? Everybody's always asking, how do I do this? I want to do this. You go up to Spy Money LLC. You click on Angular and Confirmation. When you click on that, that'll open up down here. It talks a little bit about it. We have the Angular indicator. You can lease the Angular indicator and do this on your own. The confirmation indicator is not there yet, but you can also do the Angular and confirmation bot. So when you do this one, you will get both bots included. That is the best deal because the bot does it for you. The problem with doing it manually is you have to sit there and wait, and then as you watch it, if you look away or do something, or maybe you have to step to the bathroom or something, the trade's already happened. By the time you get back or you see it, it's too late to get in. That's the only bad part about using the manual trading. You can do manual trading pretty good if you've got the patience to watch. But the bot sits there and watches for you. So that's really the best way to go in. And you get both bots for one price. And it's a monthly lease, and that'll help you out. If you have questions about it, you can go up here to the contact. You click on this right here, put all your information in, submit it. Those emails come to me directly, so I'm the one that answers them. If you have something that you want to ask me, I'm more than happy to do it. If you need to talk to me about it, I can also call you back. The spam folder, make sure that you put a filter in so that this does not go to your spam. If you put this in, anytime I email you, you'll make sure that you don't get any spam. So that's all you have to put in there. A lot of times mine goes in there, it's a commercial email, so sometimes it will hit spam folders on people. Once you put this in, it won't get it, and you'll get all the messages. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. And just to give you an idea, a support ticket, if you click on here, if you're logged in your account, then you can send a message to me, and that's how I handle all support tickets. And I answer them immediately. Well, I wouldn't say immediately, but almost immediately. We get to them real quick, and to make sure if you have any problem, we do offer very good customer service. I've never been told that I don't give good service. But if you have any questions or anything, that's how you get in touch with me. And again, the bot, this is Thursday. Every day this week, it has hit its $1,000 goal. And it's at the same times that we trade. It's the same settings, the same bot. Nothing changes other than if we have a loser, there's a certain way that we turn it back on. And this one would have been the way it turned back on. So once it comes out of this chop, I teach you how to look for it and then go from there. If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you and get you started. We can get you started this weekend where you can get everything installed and set up, all your settings and so forth, and get started trading on Monday. Have a great day.